What's up, guys? Hope you're having an awesome day. Today we are going to be running Sal Pass. As you can see by the sign, it says very rough road. I don't think it's going to be that way. It should be a pretty mild trail, at least from what I have read, compared to the other ones we've been running. But anyways, we just got the Toyota aired down, so hopefully it's a little bit smoother of a ride. Definitely gaining some elevation fast. As you can see, it is all burnt through here, all the way down to the bottom, and a long ways up there. Well, now we're getting into a little bit different trees. The road has officially got a lot more narrow back there. We went across a couple switchbacks that were a little bit tight, no big deal. And then now we're starting to run into snow. So that could be exciting. Might have to drop the air pressure in the tires a little bit more, get it down to 1 to 2 PSI. We'll see how the snow is. It's probably not great since it's been melting and just turning soft, but spring snow is usually a lot more grippy than fresh snow, so we'll see. I'm gonna have to air down some more, see if we can get on through this. See how far we go. Yeah. We are officially dropping down to 1 PSI. The snow's decent. I mean, it's always hard when you're doing a turn. It just wants to dig it in on the side. So now that we're going in a straight line, we got that going for us. Plus we have shade, which is great because the sun makes it to where you sink, and the shade will keep it hard so you can stay on top. Plus 1 PSI. All the flotations. I'm not gonna lie, my attire for this trip is very irresponsible and not on point. And Blaze, if you're watching this, don't think I didn't get any snow wheeling in this weekend. Just because I missed your trip, I still got some snow wheeling. There you go. Okay, again, we made it to Seth 2010, and we're still heading up the road, creeping and crawling. Now that the camera lens is off. Yeah, now that the camera lens is off, you guys can see what we're doing. See? There's the front tire, and there's the back tire. Just creeping and crawling. Well, so much for this turned into like an overland vlog. I think it's turned into a full-blown snow wheeling adventure. But tell you what, if we make it through this before anyone else in Utah, just know the Idaho guys made it through first. Mark that on your calendar. Yeah, it's pretty deep. We're slowly making progress. All right, well, things are going great for the mountain pass, as you can see. We're fighting our own path all the way through here. Definitely going to be the first ones. We're at a little bit of an angle. We've made some good progress down there, but this is pretty stiff right here, so we're going to winch it and help get it back up on the trail a little bit better, just because it's heading that way a bunch. Well, we're slowly making it with a ton of winching, and then we still might have to turn around. So we're gonna see what it looks like up here on this corner on the other side, and then if it's bad, we'll probably end up turning around. Well, we made as far as we can. Now we're turning back because we don't have much daylight and we don't want to get stuck up here and have to stay the night. So we are making our way back. As you can see, all of our tracks down there. It's just a little bit chewed up, but we should be good, hopefully. What do you think?
Yep, we're getting there.
Well, that is going to conclude our trip up the Lotssssss Pass. Didn't completely make it through, but we gave it our best shot. I think we were fairly close, but the downside is I think on the other side, when I look at the topography maps, it oscillates back and forth. So probably still would have had a ton of snow throughout the rest of the trail. So we just decided to turn back and start heading back to town. That way we didn't get stuck up there at night. So we're getting the Toyota aired up. Everything worked good on that. So that's gonna wrap up this video. Make sure you stay tuned for the next trip. Not sure what we're doing next with it, but see you in the next one. Peace.